Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember, on this channel I always bring my trade setup, my trade pairs. This is the first video I'm doing in the year 2026, and this is already 19th of February. Okay, it has been a rough time since last year, and if you notice, I haven't been showing off more of consistent swings. I just believe everything is more of the process. So I did a documentary on my Instagram whereby I traded a profit account, taking up to 24 trades, and later got to build the account. Yeah, I took a break and deep reflection on the whole journey and the whole things that happened between when I started trading accounts and when the account got blown. And yeah, I realized something more when it comes to trading. So after then, I have to take some break to fix my psychology, back test, watch the charts, and kind of see what's actually working out, not just selling strategies. So I took that break time. I've noticed I haven't even uploaded or even been updating more of my trades on my Telegram channel. So within that period, I was more of in a personal deep season. So, but I think along the line, I figured out one or two things that works out, and I'll be sharing some with you. So today I'm also excited that I was able to pass phase 1 of a prof account I was gifted. I will call it gifts because I should have paid $99, but I don't know, maybe they are doing a discount promo or something and they give accounts free of charge. So I'll also be putting the link to that account. If you're interested in getting an account with them, you can try them out. Their spreads are very okay, although that's are just almost normal, like normal SS trade. So but you can just check them out. I think the execution, everything is very pretty, very good. So I took some trade on BTC on my personal account, and also took a trade on silver on the prop account. And the trade on silver went like crazy. Like I was like, wow. So I was able to close out at around 9.7 or so. So I would like to share all the trades I took with you guys on my screen. So join me as I show you. But remember, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you always be notified whenever you upload new content to this channel. So I want to thank my 300 subscribers that stayed glued to the channel ever since last year. So thank you guys, and stay tuned to the channel. I will try to be updating you more on trades and educational content. So join me on the chat. Let's do a little back this. On BTC this morning, this was the overall what later happened, and this is just a coincidence of Forex reward trade. So see what I was actually looking out for. Going from a higher time frame, BTC has been selling for quite some time, and meanwhile when BTC is selling, it's either I'm looking out for sells to the downside from a supply area or for buys to the upside to a supply area. That's just normally what you should be looking out for whenever the market is in a direction, right? So, and if you notice, BTC has been selling on a higher time frame, but I wasn't able to see any sales setup because I missed this setup one, and I missed another setup around here too. So, but coming to this zone on the 1 hour time frame, I saw that market is likely going to come over to this sell side liquidity area, and there is no very clear inducement aside this one that is even very far from the supply area. So going down to a 45 minutes time frame. So in the 45 minutes time frame, you see that I marked out that particular supply area, and if you extend, this is it. Market is already in it at the moment. But I have been looking out for a way to see a candlestick pattern because I'm seeing strong bullish candlesticks approaching that area. So which means that I can actually see a very nice bullish candlestick and take a trade targeting this same supply area. So I went down to a 15 minutes time frame to check out how price is really moving and approaching that area. So on a 15 minutes time frame, if you notice, we already have a clean good 15 minutes bullish candlestick, right? But I can't take a wider SL since I'm looking at a very short target and I need at least a good risk reward. So I went down to a 5 minutes time frame to see if I can get a very more decent entry, and here you can see that on the 5 minutes time frame we have the first good bullish and the most very neat bullish candlestick. Okay, I said let me also check maybe the lower time frame like 3 minutes to see, and even the 3 minutes gave me a very clean, which like anytime you see this kind of candlestick around this area, I think it's a good area to buy. So the next thing I then checked out for is how is price moving from zone to zone. Here was kind of a resistance, market broke it, and then here again is a very neat support area. You can agree with me on that this is a very clean support area, meaning that market was able to hold above it. So from this support area, I then start looking out for candlestick confirmations like price direction around that area. Then around that should be around, okay, after 6, almost 7 a.m. Nigerian time. I went to a 1 minute time frame from the 3 minutes, and I saw a kind of spot I might refer to as a bullish flag. Just know that at this point, I'm just looking out for any reason to buy. You get? So looking out from this thing that looks like a bullish flag or kind of a trend line, I saw that market first gave me a good candlestick pattern here and also a strong bullish candlestick around here. Then I plotted my fib. Hey, this is just a secret. Don't let's tell people about this one. So, but the moment price crossed the fib, the EMA 8. When my price crossed the EMA 8, I know that it was my entry signal. No need to wait back again. I just have to repeat. Then again, spread was very, very wide, but I just have to manage and just take a very minor risk. So the risk on this trade was less than $2. Yeah, because it was just a very small account of $12, and that's like my last card. So I'm not just willing to blow up the account. But my plan is to find a way to raise the capital so I can be risking up to $5 to $10 per trade. At least it's tangible something out of this trading. I'm not just a sector. So that was how I executed this trade from this area with my candlestick confirmation and the EMA 8 confirmation. So that was how I was targeting this size. So I just extended it to knowing fully where the market is likely coming to this supply area here. That was why I extended. So tapping into that supply area will give me a very good risk reward, and price will likely do that. So that was how the trade played out, and this is just the recording of when the trade was playing out. So here was where I normally, okay, this is my guy. So but here is where I normally place my all these screenshots I normally take. So I normally do send them here just for the before and after and for study stake. So okay, I took the trade where I was outside, so I was not able to put the before, but that's just it. I will just show you the screenshots. So that was it on BTC USD. So for XAUSD and silver, just check out for the part 2 of this video. I would like this one to be too lengthy. See you on the next video.